Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent administrator with Stampin' Up, and today I'm going to share with you the technique dripping paint. Don't you think it looked like dripping paint? So we're going to get started with a piece of watercolor paper, and I'm going to need scrap here. It's a dirty scrap, but that's okay. And I'm using the spritz bottle. First, let's back up the bus here. I'm using a clear block, and I'm going to use Coastal Cabana. I'm going to put a drop of Coastal Cabana. I'm going to put a drop of Granny Apple. I just picked 3 re-inker in a row, and this is the color. And then this one, it's Daffodil Delight. So I got 3 drops there of the color we're going to be using. Now I'm using my spritz bottle, and I'm going to spritz that, but that it run down. So what I mean by that is I just spray the top. Okay, let's take our aqua painter that I need water in it. I don't know if I get enough water. I'm going to take my drip. You can even touch, and I need more. I think I don't have enough water in my. Now I'm going to wipe that. I'm going to go get my green apple, and then you see I just went down here. Now I'm going to take my daffodil, and if you want more of the drip, you can come and really add more water too. My thing, it's empty of water here. Here we go. Now I'm going to wipe that, add more of the blue. And then we're going to let that dry. So if you want more, you can always come back and see, add the dripping, green apple. See, I just touch my paper and squeeze. Et voila. I think we need more of the yellow though. Here we go. And this, the top, don't worry about that. You can mix it up a bit. Here we go. So now I'm just going to let this dry completely. So we're going to move this. And when it's dry, with the magic of the camera here, and I let it dry stand up. With the magic of the camera, I got one here that I used some yellow. See, there my paper was more wet. None of them gonna look the same. And this was crushed curry, green apple, and I had a bit of the blue here, balmy blue. Now I'm using the stamp set One for All, and the one with the thank you was Thankful Thoughts, and I like a big greeting on that for some reason. So I'm using StazOn for this, and again, I don't know if I say it was on watercolor paper. All the supplies and all the supplies, the colors, and the measurement going to be on my blog just below. Click on the link. Now I'm going to eyeball that right here, smack that right there, because it's watercolor paper. You want to really give a good push, because watercolor paper, it's rough, so really you need a good push. Et voila. Is that cool? And you see it get all the thing. I could add more of the black. That I could have used the Stamparatus and go back and forth. I didn't think about it till now. And then I'm going to mount that on a green apple. Oh, see, I had try another color there. I forgot this piece. So you see, you can have multiple color, whatever that you prefer. Now I'm going to put that right here. Make sure you add enough glue. And then I'm going to mount that on a white. Well, let's do it right now. Right now I want to add more glue back here. Here we go. You want to make sure watercolor paper, you want to add a little bit more adhesive. Whatever the adhesive of your choice, make sure you put plenty, because it's, like I said, that paper, it's rough. Now I get some on my finger, so it needs a little bit more than a regular paper. And we're going to put that right here. I see here where I pulled the paper. Shove that under. Nobody going to see that. Get some on my fingers. Et voila. This is the dripping paint, my friend. Hope you enjoyed this. And I will have this one here on my blog. See, as it dry, it's going to be cool. So this is it for today. Quick and simple dripping paint technique. Have a lovely day, my friend. Bye-bye for now.